The Lawson Ridge swing was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your swing, please refer to the manufacturer model number RUS4265-green or RUS4265-brown. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. A few key identifiers for this swing are: it is a 3-person swing, A-frame design, canopy is curved, swing cushions are 3 separate pieces, swing seat lays down into a bed, original canopy and cushion were sold in a green or brown color. Gardenwoods offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Lawson Ridge swing. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.